Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Jennifer Bowman with Olympia Piano and welcome to video 19 of the 24-day overview of Schumann's Traumerei, which means dreaming. In today's video, what we're going to do is a side view of measures 19 and 20, similar to the video I did a couple days ago for measures 17 and 18. I'm going to show you some of the techniques you can use to create a certain tone using certain parts of the fingers and certain wrist motions. What I'll do is right hand, left hand, and then together, so you can incorporate some of those fingerings you've been practicing so hard. So let's go ahead and we'll start with the right hand. So now let's go over this side view for measures 19, 20. I'm going to do this in two sections. We'll start with beat 4 of measure 18. Option 1, the E starts on finger number 4. I'm going to be playing on the tip portions of my fingers, and I'm going to make a little small wrist circle as I move through that mini melody. So 4, 3, 2, 5. Lift and move. 2, 3, 4, 5. Notice I'm holding my thumb at the very, very edge of that key. Option 2 for this first half of measure 19, instead of starting with 4, we're going to start with finger 5. Same motions, it will just feel a little bit different. So you're going to choose the option that works best for your hand as usual. So 5, 4, 3, 5. Lift, 2, 3, 4, 5. So right hand for part 2, we're going to have 3 options. And the 8th notes are going to be played on the tips. You want to be holding that thumb on the bottom, and then a gentle roll up for that half note chord. Option 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5. Lift the bottom, hold on to the 5, and 4, 2, 1. That one, I want you to really pay attention to the angle of my hand. I'm not playing it straight like this. I'm angling it like 45 degrees. Here we go, one more time. 2, 1, 3, 2, 4, 2. That's where the little wrist roll goes. And then reset the other way. Option 2 is going to have a finger switch. 3, 1, 4, 2, 5, 4. Roll through. Land on 3, 2, 1. And then option 3, 3, 1, 4, 2. 3, 2 rolls over. Mini wrist roll here. Lift the bottom. Left hand, 2 different fingerings. Starting on the tips, 1, 2, roll up, 1, 5, lift, and then keep at the same angle, 2, 1, 2, finger switch, 2, 5, 1, 4, 1, 2. Notice the angle of my hand, it switches when I get to beat 2. 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, and then we're back to that. Option 2, only slightly different, starting the same way, 1, 2, 1, 5. Then this one we're going to slide down, 1, 1, 2, lift, keep the same angle this way, 2, 5, 1, 4, 1, 2, roll up for the top, rest, go on the tips. So hands together, starting on beat 4 of measure 17. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that you found it helpful, and I will see you in the next video.